Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to find winning products for Shopify step by step using proven methods that still work in 2026. Finding the right product is the foundation of a successful Shopify store. You can have a beautiful website and perfect ads, but if the product is wrong, nothing really works. So, yeah, let's break this down in a simple and practical way. First, start by understanding what a winning product actually is. A winning product usually solves a clear problem, has strong demand, and makes people say, I didn't know I needed this. Impulse appeal is very important here. One of the easiest ways to find winning products is by researching trending platforms. Go to places like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and Facebook video ads. Search for keywords like TikTok made me buy it or Amazon finds. If you see the same product again and again, that's a strong demand signal. Next, use product research tools. Platforms like Shopify trending products, dropshipping research tools, or ad spy tools help you see what's already selling. Focus on products that have consistent engagement, not just one viral spike. Yeah, consistency matters more than hype. Another powerful method is checking best-selling marketplaces. Browse Amazon bestsellers, AliExpress top orders, and Etsy trending products. Look for items with thousands of orders and recent positive reviews. If people are already buying it, that demand can often be redirected to Shopify. Now, pay close attention to pricing and profit margin. A good rule is to sell a product for at least 3 times your cost. This gives you room for ads, fees, and profit. If the margins are too tight, scaling becomes very difficult. You also want to analyze competition smartly. Search the product on Google and social media. If there are too many big brands selling the same thing, it might be tough to compete. But if you see average stores with weak branding, that's an opportunity. Before finalizing a product, always check shipping time and quality. Long delivery times kill trust, especially in 2026. Choose suppliers with fast shipping options or local warehouses when possible. Testing is the final step. Don't overthink or wait for the perfect product. Launch quickly, run small ad tests, and let real data decide. Sometimes products surprise you, so yeah, let the market speak. So that's how you find winning products for Shopify step by step. If this video helped you, subscribe for more Shopify and e-commerce guides, and I'll catch you in the next one.